Cello, Celly, Cella. You pretend to be Cello and I pretend to be Celly. Hello. Hello, Rapunzel. I want to buy your shells. Do you shells the shell? Yes. Seashells, seashells in the seashore. These are shells. These are shells. Terus Inggrisnya apa? Shells. Wow, there are so many shells. Cello. Hello, Cello. Can I buy some shells, please? This is my bag. This is my plastic. I want to buy five shells. Please give me 5 shells. Aku beli 5 kerang ya. Ya, one. Okay. One. Oh, yes. What are you selling here? I want to buy some shells. Please give me 5 shells. I bring the plastic. Please give me 5 shells. Yes, I want to buy 5 shells, please. Yeah, 1. Okay, 1. Then 2. Okay, 3. Yay, 4. 5. Yay, good job. Thank you. How much is this? How much? 5,000 rupiah. Okay, this is my money. Take my money. Thank you. I will bring this to my home. La 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 la. Hello. My name is Kayla. I want to buy 3 shells. Please give me 3. Can you please give me 3? 3 shells, please. Yeah. 1. Yes. 2. Yeah. 3. Okay. How much is it? Hello. Good morning, Rafa. I want to buy your shells, please. How much is it? How much your shells? I want to buy 5.